What is Galeo, also known as Portuguese coffee? The Galeo coffee is Portugal's answer to the latte or café or latte. It's a base of espresso topped with 3 parts of foamed milk and served in a tall glass. The Galeo is traditionally served at breakfast, but you can enjoy it any time of day. Where does the Galeo come from? Where does the Galeo come from? The Galeo comes from Portugal, where it's a popular café drink served at breakfast time. A Galeo comprises 1 part espresso and 3 parts frothed milk, making it very similar to a latte. You'll find that Portuguese people often serve coffee with plenty of sugar or milk. This is due to the tradition of using a blend with a high proportion of robusta beans, giving the coffee added strength and bitterness. What is the difference between a Galeo and a latte? The difference between a Galeo and a latte is the milk texture and the milk-to-coffee ratio. A Galeo is 1 part espresso topped by 3 parts frothed milk. A latte has slightly less milk than a Galeo, with 1 espresso and 2 milk parts. The milk used for a latte is usually steamed rather than frothed, with just a tiny layer of foam added to the top. How to make a Galeo at home without a coffee machine? To make a Galeo at home without a machine, you will need a way to make strong coffee and heat and froth milk. For the coffee part, try using a maker pot or AeroPress. Once you heat the milk, you can use various methods to froth it, including a whisk or handheld frother. Alternatively, choose a milk frother that will also heat your milk. Thank you for watching. I hoped you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel and share this video to a coffee lover friend.